Technocraft, a leading business house with roots in India and eyes around the globe, was founded in 1973 by two brothers, Sharad Saraf and Sudarshan Saraf, both engineers from the prestigious IIT Bombay. Technocraft has grown over the years to become the world's second largest producer of drum closures, one of the top 5 producers of scaffolding systems, a leading engineering design services company, and a leading textiles business. Today, Technocraft is a $200 million company and is traded on the Bombay Stock Exchange and has operations in USA, UK, Germany, Poland, Australia, China, and UAE. Technocraft is a leading producer of scaffolding systems and formwork products for building construction, industrial construction, and infrastructure construction sectors. Our products are being used on some of the most prestigious projects across the world, such as the Ecopetrol refinery in Colombia or LNG plants in Western Australia, or some of the biggest refineries and power plants in Houston or high-rise towers in India. We manufacture a large range of products which include Techlock systems, Tech ring system, Tech stage system, frame scaffold, props, formwork products like Technodeck for slab formwork and Technoflex system for slab formwork, Techno wall, infrastructure formwork products. All Technocraft scaffolding systems are certified as per DIN standards by Germany's Sigma laboratories. Our welding is certified as per the EN 1090 standards. In addition to the above products, Technocraft also makes a range of custom scaffolding and shoring products for leading scaffolding and formwork companies across the world. Many of the world's largest and most innovative scaffold and formwork companies use Technocraft manufacturing facilities to get their products made and exported worldwide. Technocraft manufactures all its scaffolding and formwork products in a very controlled manufacturing process with stringent engineering, precision fabrication and tight quality control to ensure 100% defect-free and safe products. We recognize that our products impact the health and safety and even life of workers working in the hazardous of environments. And we ensure that this recognition trickles down into each aspect of our manufacturing process, right from material procurement to manufacturing. In 2010, Technocraft began the adoption of lean manufacturing in its manufacturing plants. This lean journey has taken our manufacturing facilities to a whole new level. Some of the programs that we have implemented include 5S system, which enables elimination of waste, decongesting the shop floor, and significantly improve productivity. Most manufacturing plants follow the traditional batch production practice, which leads to increased work in progress and thus higher cost of the finished product. The pull system followed by Technocraft, on the other hand, is a complete paradigm shift which ensures that only what the customer demands is scheduled across all the manufacturing processes. As a result, it drives away all unwanted WIP inventory, which ultimately reflects in cost of the final product. Technocraft has created special cells which are self-sufficient units with all the machines and material needed to fully produce the final product. Our operators are trained to be not just operators, but process owners who are responsible for maintaining their machines and taking steps to improve the robustness of their processes. The workers are trained to do online quality checks as the product is being produced. Visual instructions are provided on every workstation on machine maintenance and QC requirements. Technocraft has also implemented the unique Japanese Kanban system for replenishing raw material. This Kanban system is closely linked to the customer demand and ensures that the right product is available in the right quantity at the right time. Technocraft has achieved spectacular results over the past years through this lean initiative. Our production has tripled without increasing the area of our facility. our rejection rates have come down to almost zero, and our on-time delivery is at 95%. Technocraft Scaffolding is manufactured from high-tensile hot-rolled steel from reputed steel mills after stringent checking and testing of mechanical and chemical properties. Our process starts from making ERW tube, which is the fundamental building block of any scaffolding. Unlike most scaffold producers, Technocraft makes the ERW tube in-house, and we have state-of-the-art tube rolling process which converts the HR slits into an ERW tube. We perform a number of tests on the tube at regular intervals, such as compression test to check welding and material strength, and various other tests. Our stamping department makes the various steel stampings that go into the scaffolding, like the V-pressings, rosettes, wedges, end connectors, etc. The dies for these stampings are designed and made in-house at Technocraft using sophisticated 3D modeling and analysis tools. Technocraft is particularly strong in tool, die and fixture making. In a tie-up with India's renowned institute called NTTF, Technocraft churns the best tool and die making engineers. Technocraft welding department boasts of state-of-the-art automatic, semi-automatic and best in-class manual welding to weld the most complex of all steel structures used in scaffolding and formwork. Our welding is certified by Germany's SLV Institute as per EN 1090 standards. We use experienced and certified welders, and all our fixtures and automations are designed and made in-house. Our steel boards are made at our China manufacturing plant, where we have our own roll form line followed by stamping line and then welding. Most of our scaffolding products meant for export markets like USA, Canada and Europe are hot dip galvanized in our own galvanizing plant. Some products are also painted in the color of our customer choice. Once ready, the products are thoroughly inspected 100%, cleaned and packed in neat pallets ready for export. Every day, Technocraft is shipping number of containers to diverse markets across the world like USA, Canada, UK, Australia, Africa, Poland, Germany or Middle East. Each container of Technocraft scaffolding becomes the building block of large construction sites across the world. At Technocraft, we are committed to provide our customers with consistent quality and on-time delivery at the best possible prices. The name Technocraft is also synonymous with any construction project in the world and where there is a need for scaffolding and formwork.